Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comment. Yesterday we had a pretty steep sell-off in beans and corn. Some people link that to later after the close. A private estimate came out with the U.S. corn yield at 175.3. The USDA is at 173.4. And they showed yields jumping in Wisconsin, Minnesota, Nebraska, South Dakota, Missouri from the USDA, but actually showed a little bit decline in Ohio, Indiana, and Nebraska. This yield, though, compares to their October yield of 175.2. So really, they themselves are not showing that big of a change, but it is a big change versus the USDA. Their bean yield is 52.8. The government's 51.5. Their October number was 52.5. And again, yields jumped in Wisconsin, Minnesota, and Iowa, and North Dakota. So on one hand, you kind of see the way the basis has been acting in the beans. The crop feels bigger, but on the other hand, I don't know if the corn yield is going to go up on this next report. I think it's going to come down, but still, there's a lot of corn out there. Farmers have a lot to sell, which keeps a lid on prices. Overnight prices are about unchanged. Wheat might be up a little bit, and we've got the dollar lower and gold higher as we go into the Fed meeting. And the perception is they won't raise rates until after maybe the election, and maybe not until 2017. We actually had 100 soybean deliveries on the November, so we're back near the 977 moving average support. Resistance is now building pretty strong at $10. These corn support 345, resistance 355. We're still in that trading range, and we're in a slight uptrend in December wheat with support at 410 and resistance at the recent highs at 428. 2-week Midwest forecast looks warm and dry. Especially down in the southeast where there is a drought. And we've got a little bit of showers moving across Iowa, Wisconsin into northern Illinois today. 2-week South American forecast looks okay with some rains in the north and maybe some drying out in Argentina. There are a few weather guys that are saying long-range maps show some dryness in Argentina to persist, and so we'll have to watch that pretty closely. Funds yesterday, big sellers of beans, corn, and wheat. So also sold meal and oil. They continue to be long beans and oil, short corn and wheat, but have shifted now, at least according to our numbers, to a short meal position. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.